Bakit po tayo nagtatites? At bakit ang isang Kristiyano ay dapat ding maturuan at matutong mag-tites? Ako personally, of course, kinikilala ko ang Diyos. I honor and acknowledge God as my Creator. He's the owner of all of His creations and even my life and my finances. Halimbawa, isa akong magsasaka sa lupaing pag-aari ng iba. Di ba pagdating ng harvest time, siyempre mayroong bahagi ang may-ari ng lupaing sakahan ko. Dahil kung hindi, ito ay isang pananamantala. And of course, tinatanggap ko ang challenge ng Panginoon dahil mismong ang Diyos ang nagsasabi, "For I am the Lord, I change not. I am the Lord of hosts. Prove me now herewith, said the Lord of hosts, if I will not open you the windows of heaven and pour you out a blessing that there shall not be room enough to receive it." And yes, tithing is a miracle only when you act upon it with faith. And lastly, of course, tithes is one way to express my gratitude to my highest priest, si Lord Jesus. He is greater than Melchizedek. Kung si Melchizedek nga deserves a tithes from Abraham, how much more si Lord Jesus must deserve siya for my tithes as an expression of my gratitude for all the blessings, mga spiritual blessings